children, hope so you all are fine. And guess what? Today I have a special guest with me. Any guesses? Okay, let me give you some hints, right? But I'm going to give you some hints only if you are going to answer my question. And the question is, what are the words which describe a noun or a pronoun called as? Adjectives, right? And here are some adjectives to describe our guest. He's fat, he's round, he's white, he's cold, and he's snowy. Any guesses? Yes, exactly. We have Mr. Snowman here. Let us welcome him. Hello, Mr. Snowman. It looks like he's so happy to be with us today, right? Yes. And now it is our time to continue with our lesson, right? And let us say bye for now. Bye-bye. It's really a great fun to have Mr. Snowman here today with us, right? Yes. And now, my dear kids, let me tell you that if we use more than one adjective in a sentence, then we should arrange those adjectives in a particular sequence, which means the adjectives which we are using in a sentence must be put or must be arranged in a particular order. Fine. Now let us learn or let us have a look at that sequence. Fine. First in the sequence comes article, a and the, or possessive adjective my, his, your, etc. and demonstrative adjectives like this, that, these, those. And next comes numbers or ordinals. Numbers like 1, 2, 3 and ordinals like first, second, third. And then comes qualitative adjectives or opinion. Like for example, smart, beautiful, famous, heavy, etc. And then comes size, length or height. Like for example, big, small, tall, etc. And then comes age or temperature. Like new, young, old, or temperature like hot, cold, warm, etc. And then comes shape, round, square, flat, rectangular, etc. And in the sequence next comes color, for example, red, yellow, etc. And then comes origin, like for example, Indian, American, Chinese, etc. And then comes the material noun, like for example, plastic, wooden, etc. And then comes purpose, like for example, reading, cooking, washing, etc. And remember the sequence. First comes the article, possessive adjective or demonstrative adjective. And next comes numbers or ordinals. And next comes qualitative adjective. And then comes size, length or height. And then in the sequence comes age or temperature. And then shape, color, origin, material noun, purpose. Now let us practice this with the help of some examples. And as you all know, this is Christmas season and Santa is with lots of gifts for us. Right? Yes. Now I'm going to show you some of the presents with Santa. Look what we have here. A car, right? Now first, let us use some adjectives to describe it and then let us put the adjectives in a correct order. Fine? Yes. Red car, big, beautiful. So let us take these three adjectives to describe this. Fine. And now, according to our sequence chart, let us arrange these three adjectives in a correct order. Fine. And according to our sequence chart, articles come first, but we don't have any article or possessive adjective or demonstrative adjective here. And then comes numerals or ordinals, and we don't have any. And then comes qualitative adjective or opinion. And yes, we have a qualitative adjective, beautiful. So let us place beautiful first. And then comes size, big. Big is showing the size of the car. So next comes big, beautiful, big. And then comes age or temperature, but we don't have ing. And then comes shape. And then comes color, red. So the answer is beautiful, big, red car. Clear? And next, let us have a look at another present. A dinosaur? Who would like to have a dinosaur as a present on their Christmas? Fine. Let us describe it first. Let us use a numeral. Fine. 1, tall, scary, right? Now let us arrange these adjectives in a sequence. And again, according to our sequence chart, article, numeral. So 1. Next comes qualitative adjective or opinion, scary. And then comes size, length or height, tall. So the correct sequence of the adjectives is 1, scary, tall, dinosaur. Right? Yes. Now let us have a look at one more present. This is a cool gift for this Christmas, right? Yes. So now without wasting our time, let us describe this event. Okay? Yes. It's wooden, brown, new, right? And according to our sequence chart, article, numerals, qualitative adjectives, size, age. It's new, right? So new comes first, and then shape. We did not use any shape to describe it. So then comes color, brown, new, brown, and then comes origin, and then material noun, new, brown, wooden, piano, right? Yes. Now let us quickly have a look at the next present. Wow, a cake, right? It looks so yum, right? And now, without wasting time, let us describe it. It's round in shape, fine, and tasty. And again, according to our sequence chart, article, numerals, qualitative adjective. Tasty. Tasty is a qualitative adjective, right? Yes. And then size, length or height, age, shape, round. So tasty, round, cake. Isn't it? Yes. And sequencing the adjectives is a fun, right? But yes, they are a bit hard to remember the correct sequence. But as we all know, practice makes a man perfect, right? And someone else is waiting to wish you all. Shall we meet him?
Look who is here, Mr. Santa, right? Now let us all sing and dance with Santa. This is really a great fun, right? Thank you, Mr. Santa, for being with us today. And kids, we shall meet in the next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.